Yep, pencil.
Okay,
Wait.
problem,
Yes.
pre-calc, homework,
Wait, what's that?
5.3, right here,
Oh, we're doing
starting
that.
with number 1.
You guys want some? I need a pencil.
We do have pencil. Can't see that far.
Number 1,
Our money. Thank you. That's Amy. His name's
Oh, sorry.
number 1, you are compounding interest 4 different ways. For number 1, $1,000 is invested
years.
at 8%, find the value after 5 years. So, for letter A, we got $1,000. We've got $1,000. And then we don't need that end value. The interest rate is 8%. So 0.08. And we want to know after how many years? 5. Tell me what answer you get.
1469.
1469.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
33.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
I think you're wrong.
It's right.
Teach me.
Okay, B. Now, what are you gonna write for quarterly? 1,000. 1 plus 0.08 over 4. And times 4 times 5 is 20. So that's gonna be to the 20th power. 1485.95. See? You're doing it monthly. $1,000 times 1 plus same interest rate. And now they want monthly, so 12 months in a year, and we're doing 5 years. 1489.85. And the last one is weekly. How many weeks are there in a year?
52.
So there you go. So you got 1,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 52, and then 52 times 5. 1491. So what could you conclude by this little problem?
Oh, yeah, weekly.
Find something that's gonna give, so if you're gonna put some money in a bank account, ask them, how often do you compound interest? So you might wanna shop around. Because banks are businesses, okay? They want your money. And you gotta say, well, who's gonna give me the most money? Number 3, in exercises 3 through 12, determine how much money will be in a savings account with the initial deposit. So P is gonna be $500, and the interest rate is indicated below. So you gotta read it, number 3. 2%, and we're compounding annually. This is easy. We're gonna take $500. We're gonna compound interest annually, so it's 1 plus 0.02. And you're just gonna raise this to the 8th power. Anyone have an answer?
585.
Now, check out the reasonableness of an answer. Someone in one of my classes, we were doing $5,000, how much would you, we were doing a problem, and they were asking how long will it take for this amount to be 6,000, and he said like 8 weeks or something like that. I'm like, wow, think about the reasonableness of your answer. If you can earn over $1,000 in like 8 weeks, I'd put a lot of money with that person. Okay? And then he realized that how off his answer was. So you want to check the reasonableness of your answer. Especially when you're taking the ACT test. You might be able to guess just based on that. Number 5, 2%, we're compounding quarterly. quarterly is for? Anybody have an answer?
6:10.
Yep. 6/10/40. Excellent. Okay, we're gonna do daily now. Some people mess up converting the percent to a decimal. We're doing daily. Answer? How much?
Never mind. Wrong.
Yeah, no, why was it wrong?
Should have started out with that.
That's good, I want you to think about that. We all make math errors, I make math errors. And number 9. This one says continuous, that word continuous. We're gonna take $500, e to the 0.03 times 4 power. You get 563.75?
Yep.
Excellent. Questions? Flip. Number 13. I have $5,000. Oh, we want to know for these ones, how much money do you need to put in? So at the end of 7 years, earning 6% compounding annually, you're gonna have $5,000 at the end. So how much do you need to put in? You're solving these for P now, so what would you do?
5,000.
Instead of you doing
Now, for this one, I'm gonna write it anyway. Do I need the end value?
Not for this one.
Why?
This one.
Because it's 1, these are ones, not necessary. So you're gonna put 5,000 here. 1 plus 0.06, in how many years? 7. How are you gonna solve this for P?
We're gonna do the 1.06 to 7, and then just gonna apply that number.
So could you do this in a calculator in one shot? How?
5,000 over
Easy? Anyone have an answer yet?
3,325.
Excellent. Number 15. Now we want to know how much do we need to put in, so at the end of 5 years, we have 4,800. So we want to have this amount at the end. And we're compounding quarterly. How many quarters are there in a year? Good. So, I want everyone to do this problem, make sure you can get the correct answer. You get 3,359.59 cents. Did you get that? Number 17? 8,900 equals P, or you could do over, you could do it that way. Now, how do you convert this? Monthly? Mm-hmm. we good? Okay. A few story problems. Did anyone not get this? Kira, are you good? You
Yeah.
still looking?
I was in the first one.
Are you
Well, not the
good?
first one, but yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Matt, you good? Caesar, you good? Sydney?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Anyone else? Christine? No? You good? Brad? Brad? Brad, you ready?
This technology is too advanced.
What up,
It
Brad?
is.
I can't work with
Lily? Are you good?
Yeah.
You good?
Lori?
Sure.
Yeah.
You gonna ask me?
Darren?
Are you good, Miss Audia?
Colin, you good?
I'm good.
Saudi, are you good?
Are you good,
Ian,
Miss
are you
Audia?
good?
I'm not good on this next part.
Are you good?
Super.
Austin?
Yeah, so how do you know you're not?
I read it.
Everyone's
I didn't get
good.
asked if I was good, but.
I did, I said
Just
good.
ask, you don't usually ask. How are you?
Okay, I'm good. A typical credit card company charges 18% annual interest.
R.
And that's our, yep, 0.18. And we're doing monthly, so it's N is 12, right? If your current balance is $520 and you do not make any payments for 6 months, how much are you gonna owe them still?
So afraid.
So you're solving for A, yep. You got $520. Oh, I'm off the screen. 1 plus your interest rate, so it's 0.18, we're gonna do 12 months, and we're got 12 times. Now, oh, it says 6 months. Good job. 6 months would be 0.5. That would be the tricky part of that question. 6 months is a half a year. Remember, you're in years. Anyone have an answer for this one?
Five, 68.5.
21. You have $10,000 and you're investing this, go ahead. For 2 years. We have 3 funds, A, B, and C. Fund A is 13.2%, B is 12.7, and C is 12.6. What fund will return the most money? What do you think it is? You think it's B?
C.
Well, they're compounding differently. So what do you think you're gonna do? I like this question.
I think it's gonna be.
So you have to do A, B, and C. Okay. Everybody, you can work with your elbow partner.
What?
Oh, I didn't get, I had something. So we're solving, are we solving for A all 3 times?
Yeah.
A, you're gonna do A, you're gonna do B, and you're gonna do C. All of them are $10,000. The first one is annually, and we're doing 2 years for all of them. Okay, so this is what I have here. See if you can tell me the 3 answers and which one has the most money. Wait, let everybody get it.
Okay.
check out my 3 answers. Trevor, did you get the same? Did you guys get the same?
Yes.
So which one gives you the most money?
12.6% compound monthly.
Yep. Good job. Easy. You guys have one more. You're gonna borrow $1,200 at 14% interest. And you're compounding monthly. You're paying off this loan. Principal and interest. At the end of 2 years, how much interest will you have paid? C. Huh?
It's on this. Oh,
What'd you say?
never mind.
C was the correct answer for that last one. This most money right here. So for 23, you're borrowing $1,200 at 14% interest for you're earning interest monthly. So you've got 1,200, 1 plus 0.14 over 12, and then 12, we're doing this for 2 years. So how much do we have here? We have 1585, 18. So you want to pay off this loan. How much did we borrow? And $385.18. Questions?